Hi, welcome to Titi's Playhouse. Today we're going to be doing some science experiments. This is our second video on Adventure Club. These are 10 science experiments in one kit. So the first one that we did was the chalk and vinegar challenge, which really did not give me hope for this kit. But you know what? You can't judge a kit by the first experiment. So we're going to be doing the amazing sand today. So the first thing that it tells you is it needs the 3 bags of sand, water, and 1 clear container. So it did provide us with the 3 little sand bags. So the first thing that we're going to do is fill the container with the water. Okay? So we have our cute little ones right here. So we're going to fill that. No, we need more water. Okay. So as cute as these little things are, didn't fill it up, so we're going to fill it up. It says fill up your okay. So it's almost full. Okay, we're going to put our amazing sand in first, the blue. Whoa, that is cool. Now that is cool. Let's poke at it, because I love to poke at stuff. See, now that's cool. That's what we're looking for some sort of reaction. This is the green. Oh, now that's cool. Kind of leaves a little resin. Okay. Now